Hey everyone! Welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke. Let's get started!
Singable Words.
The word is
jar.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Jar is to have a harsh sound, to be out of harmony. It's not to have a good or pleasant sound.
But wait, here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Annoy, irritate, interfere.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Delight, please, soothe.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the musician's piano get in trouble during school? Because it kept making jarred noises during quiet time. Now, let's use it in a sentence.
The sudden loud honk of the car horn jarred the peaceful morning silence.
Let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
Singable Words.